A youth was injured in a head-on collision between two bikes on Wednesday morning. Name of the injured is Pramod Deborma. Incident occurred at Brajapur Amtole area of Bishalgarh. According to the details of the incident, it is known that there was a head-on collision between a bike bearing number TR01W5812 and another bike bearing number TR07B6620. As a result, a youth was injured in the incident. Name of the injured is Pramod Deborma. After the incident, an information was sent to Bishalgarh Fire Service. Fire Service personnel came to the spot and rescued the injured Pramod Deborma and took him to Bishalgarh Hospital.
Bishalgarh Brajapur Amtoli দুটি বাইকের সংঘর্ষ ফেস টু ফেস সংঘর্ষ একজন বাইক রাইডার সিরিয়াসলি ইনজুর্ড হয়েছে ওনার নাম প্রমোদ দেববর্মা আমরা বিশালগড় ফায়ার সার্ভিস স্টাফ খবর পেয়ে বিশালগড় মহকুমা হাসপাতালে নিয়ে আসি
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.